How you guys doing, man? How many law cases has there been in reference to these people blocking me from my mother and father's mansions? You know, 'cause I got kidnapped from the mansions. How many attorney court cases has there been? Attorneys bringing up the information of them kidnapping me from the property. And how many court cases has there been in reference to these people trying to steal my identity? They hit me in the throat. They tried to make me upchuck. So, look at the information. How many specific court cases has there been about me traveling to my mother and father's mansions and going home? I'm supposed to live in my mother and father's mansions forever, and my grandparents' mansions. And plus, I'm allowed to build another mansion. You guys know that, right? So, you know, and it even says on those documents I'm supposed to have full access to my mother and father's properties. So, in reference to attorneys, how many attorneys have went into court specifically about me getting home to my mother and father's mansions? And who, what, when, and where are the people that are blocking me? You know, they go like, you know, go into court and say, okay, we're trying to figure out why they're not letting, you know, Mark go home to his mother and father's mansions. Or, you know, they use my birth name information. So they gotta mention my biological parents in every court case. And my birth name. So, you know, in reference to the information, how many court cases have they said in reference to delivering monies to me at the little house where I'm at, them delivering it to the mailbox? Or through the postal mail, you know, checks or credit cards or whatever. How many court cases has there been in reference to people stealing the postal mail? See, it's very important to know these things, the categories of each court case.